Today we will learn how to use the lookup function in Excel. First of all, we will check this side, right hand side, lookup function. Suppose here is a table, there are two columns, income and tax. So this column is income and this column is for tax. Suppose I want to find out the income of a person and the corresponding tax. Suppose I will put the value here and automatically it will find out the tax. Suppose here if I put what is the tax for this particular income, suppose for this 5 lakh income, so 5 1 2 3 4 5 0, you will see this tax value will be updated automatically. You can see this is 50,000. That means the tax for this particular income will be updated here. So how does it work? How it will find out? Let's see. So suppose we want to find out the income for this 4 lakh. So put here 1 2 3 4 5 4 lakh. Now what will be the tax by this income? Okay, for this we need to use the lookup function. So write down the formula here, equals to lookup. You can press tab. Now select the particular cell here for which you want to find out the tax. Now comma, and then select the entire table, entire array. So select the entire table and close the first bracket, press enter. You can see this is 35,000. So this is the, you can see this income and this tax. So it will find out here. Suppose for this 20,000, for this 2 lakh, if I put here 2 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5, then you can see this tax is updated because this tax is 0. So it is 0 here also. So with this formula it can find out from a table any number of columns, any number of data it can find out. Only you will have to put the reference here and automatically it will be updated the result. Okay, now this is from vertical table. If we want to find out from the horizontal reference, then what to do? The same thing, but firstly what I have done, I have transposed this one, I have transposed this income and this tax I have transposed using the transpose formula. You can see this transpose formula. There is a separate video how to transpose this. I will not discuss about transpose here. Okay, transposition is covered in separate video. Okay, now so from here the same thing, this is the income and here is the tax. How it is coming? Equals to lookup, then select the cell, comma, and the entire table, entire horizontal table, close the bracket, press enter. You can see the tax is 35,000 corresponding to this income, So in this way it will find out. So you can see for this 5 lakh 500,000 income, the tax is 50,000. So it is reflected here. So it can find out from vertical or horizontal array, from vertical or horizontal table. In another example, we will we will find out, suppose for this part, for these two particular, for these two column, so there is the id and this is the first name. So here against the id we are finding out the first name. The same thing equals to lookup, then select this table, comma, select the entire table, close the first bracket, press enter. So you can see the first name is coming John. So against this id 10056, so John is coming. If I change this as 58 or suppose 57, the name is coming Priya, because against this id Priya is assigned, so it will be updated automatically. Now if I want to find out the contact here, so what to do? This is the first name. So suppose against the first name we want to find out this contact number. So what to do? Suppose this John's contact number is this one, Priya's contact number is this one. So how to find out? So this is the first name and this is the contact number. So this is the formula equals to lookup, so you need to select this cell, comma, then D58, that means you can find out D58 to G61, the entire table, and the final table, comma, the final table. Okay, once again equals to lookup tab, select the cell, the reference cell, comma, select the entire table from the first name up to the contact, now comma, and we need, what is the target value? We need this data, this contact, close the bracket, press enter. Now this is coming. Suppose this is Paul, Paul, press enter. You can see this contact number is changed here. So Paul's contact number is changed here. So like this we can find out the contact number. Now if we want to get the entire details against one ID number, suppose I want to get the entire details against this ID number 10059, that means this one. So we need to press the, we need to type this formula, the same formula, same lookup formula, equals to lookup, then this reference cell and comma, then this ID number, comma, and this first name, all the first name. So what I have done, I have pressed here the dollar against each cell. You can see this $C, $67, $C, $58. So this dollar is used to fix the cell reference number. So there will be no mistake or error here. That's why this dollar is extra I put, and then just copy and paste or drag and drop the same formula here this side, so you can get the same thing. Okay, let's explain a little bit. Let's delete this one. In this formula you can see this cell number C67, that means this reference ID is fixed. Then C58 to 61, that means these all the IDs, these are fixed. So with this reference cell we want to find out the value of the other cells. That's why these ID cells, those are locked actually using this dollar symbol. Now just drag and drop, then you can see all the details are coming, all the details appearing here. So this is the first name against this ID, this is the first name, this is the last name, this is email ID, and this is contact number. So all these information whatever was available here, it is there. Suppose we want to find out this 58. Okay, so let's change this 58, press enter. You can see this name is changed, this last name is changed. Okay, so this email ID and also the contact number. So these are the details came here. Okay, and one more thing I forgot to mention, whenever you are finding out this formula, suppose this against this first name we are finding out the contact details. So you need to sort out the data in column 1, that means in the first name you need to rearrange in ascending order, because this contact number, this value will come in ascending order based on this first value. Suppose we need to rearrange it in ascending order first. So here J, the first letter is J, here P, R, S. So you need to rearrange in ascending order, and then only you can find out the correct data here. This will appear correctly. So this is the function of lookup function in Microsoft Excel. With this function you can do lot of things in a easier way. So this is very important function.